Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here in the garage. Got my Mojave in here. Just got done putting some new wheel bearings in it and everything from the last time I had it taken out, and took it for a test drive in the yard. Of course I wasn't recording and the motor blew up on me, so I'll show you what it looks like now, but we're gonna get in here and get it all swapped out. See what we can get going for it. Here we go. So here's the Mojave. We got the EXB. This is gonna be the donor car. Got the old E Revo brushless, but it's got a castle system in it, so it'll get me by. But what have happened here is, I don't know, I guess I overheated it a few too many times. You can see it tore it up good. Magnets came apart, everything. It's definitely a goner. That shaft is just stuck in there. So I was gonna try to see about rebuilding it, but at this point it's not worth it. I did get this pulled out and the windings are tore up and a few of them are hanging out, so it's pretty much a goner, which really sucks. You know, the ESC is fine, which is good, at least from what I can tell. But I'll have to look into that later. Actually, I would have to test it out on another motor or something, because I'm gonna just go ahead and take the whole motor and ESC out of that for now, because I want to see if it's even gonna work and how that's gonna work out. I might use this ESC, the Firma, but why not keep it a package? It does great in this car, but the diffs just don't hold out in this thing. I have had some problems with it. Had it for years, and I actually was trying to sell it, but for now I'm just gonna keep it and maybe I'll part it out. But I'm gonna get set up and start tearing that apart, get that motor and ESC out. Alright, so what I got here in this E Revo is a MXL 6S by Castle. It's a Traxxas ESC. The reason I'm going to use the same ESC is because I don't want to resolder this right now. I'm just going to, like I say, I'm going to see if it's even going to work out for me. And it'd probably be better to keep them as a combo anyways. So the motor is a, let's see if I can get in there. It's a 2200 kV. So yeah, not gonna bore you with all that and get this all torn out, and I'll get back with you. Alright, so here's where I'm at. Got the motor all ready. It took me a minute to get that screw out. Broke my screwdriver off in there and eventually got it out. But so I'm ready to put this back together. So next I'm gonna get the Mojave. I'm gonna take that ESC out of there. I'm gonna get this ESC installed, throw the motor in, and we'll see what we can get going. Feel like I'm missing something, the motor plate. Hopefully it's over there. But anyway, here we go. I'm gonna set up a time lapse again. Alright, before I get this going, I'm gonna ditch these Traxxas connectors. I hate these things and I don't have batteries for them, so probably gonna go with like an XT60 or something. Hold up to that 6S. And this power switch on this acts up sometimes, so I'm just gonna cut it and splice it, put some heat shrink over it, that way it's just always on. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then after that we'll get to installing it. Alright, well, I've made quite a bit of progress here. I got my motor installed nice and tight. I got this fan put on. It's kind of just hanging out in there. I need to do something a little better. I can't rotate it back there because this is in the way. And if I come all the way this way, there's a plastic guard that's going to go on. And it'll kind of defeat the purpose of that because it'd just be blasting right into that. So I'm going to leave it how it is. I had to snip off a piece of plastic back there, a little wall, so I could slide the ESC all the way back. There's just enough clearance back there by the motor, so everything's good. I'm happy with the wiring. I got my wiring clear of the center drive shaft. I'm going to zip tie this fan wire up once I put the cover on the receiver box. I know this is wrong, that's fine for now. It fits in there, just not very tight. Problem I got is I need to calibrate this, and I'm not using a Traxxas receiver, so I'm not sure how this is going to work. Gotta figure out how to calibrate the throttle on this thing. So that's my next step. Alright, here it is. Got it all finished up. I closed up the receiver tray. It's all zip tied in. All my wires are tight. Everything's clear from the differential. Shouldn't have no problems. Like I say, my fan's just chilling here. They're gonna be good. That's kind of crazy. Wow. It's pretty wild holding it just in my hand. Kind of sucks. It doesn't seem like it has brake. Just forward, straight to reverse, and that's going to tear some stuff up. I can already tell. I need to figure out a way to program it. But yeah. Other than the motor going backwards, it seems like we're doing good. Let's get that swapped around. There we go. Now we should be the right way. Wow, I can't wait to get that out there. Holy crap. Alright, I'm gonna go outside and give it a test. Alright, let's see what she's got. No control, that's what it's got. Oh, hey, well, it would help if if the motor was plugged in all the way. So that'll do it right there. So it doesn't, it's not very controllable, but probably perfect down the dirt. Well, overall it did good. It is a little warm. The fans, you know, probably aren't that great for the bashing I'm giving it. But aside from the motor wire coming loose and the battery coming loose, which I knew, I've got an EC5 going into an XT90, you know, what do I expect? But other than that, it's good. I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute, but I'm gonna go start editing this video and take it bashing after work tomorrow or something. See how it does in some dirt. But I'll catch up with you then. Thanks for watching.